I've been really enjoying learning how to paint in a traditional style. It's probably the most fun I've had with art since I started my journey, so that seems like it's a good sign that I should keep continuing down this path. And since I'm a challenge-based learner, I am starting a new series called Daily Painting Until I'm Good. Obviously, I'm probably not gonna be able to make an art piece every single day, because I do have other things that keep me busy, but it's more the idea of being consistent. Also, hi, I'm Jess, a beginner artist sharing my art journey and learning process on this YouTube channel. I've been learning painting techniques from traditional oil painters, and I'm implementing that process to paint and render my artworks digitally. This is possible because I'm using Krita, and with the Memilio brushes it is possible to render traditional looking oil paintings, which is really exciting and a great way to learn in my opinion. I'd love to actually paint someday, but for now this is going to be my workflow going forward. It's more flexible and easier to do while still achieving great results. So right now I'm at the stage of still life paintings, but since I love fantasy and sci-fi and I want to make art in those genres in the future, I thought it would be fun to paint other stuff to learn other than fruit. I ended up picking a really complex object for day 1 for no reason, so for day 2 I'll probably simplify a bit because I wasn't entirely happy with how this one came out, but it was a good first attempt. And in case you don't know, I'm painting an Estus flask from the Dark Souls games, which is the item players drink to heal their characters. So yeah, it has a lot of different shapes and colors, plus the difficulty of being a transparent glass object, and it didn't have strong shadows, so overall probably not the best first choice, but learning to pick good subjects and references is also part of the learning process. I think that's all I have to say for this one. Enjoy the rest of the time lapse and I'll see you for the next painting. Thank you for watching.